Here we are going to create a virtual machine, and this machine I'm going to use a couple of things. The first thing we have to keep into mind, we have to create a OCI, which for the migration we are going to use. So we can create a target database into our virtual machine. So which we are going to create onto the our OCI, Oracle Cloud Interface. So for that, what I am going to do, let me create a one database which I can use for this. So for that, I'm using that, coming onto my cloud environment. In the cloud environment, my virtual cloud network is ready. I can go into my bare metal Exadata. And then here, I'm able to create my database system. Of course, so I don't want to create on the root container. So I can cancel it and choose the container, which is, always make sure you can use your container. There is lots of students in the batch, and every student has their different container. Use the container which is assigned to you, depend on the your need. Of course, make sure don't use the other container, but that's where we can save the things and we can use a proper. So for here, I am using my own container for this example. So now you can see I am creating the database into this compartment. So this compartment is going to be used for my database. Okay, let me create a DB system, and here we have to give the input. So make sure when you are creating a DB systems, you can give the database name as per your need. So compartment I have selected, and then I am giving my database name. So you can use your name as a student initial. That's where we can identify what name you are using. So let me go and I can use my database name, my DB. So my database virtual machine I am using, as I showed. So, and then here in the ability domain, you can choose which domain you want to create your database. Got it? I hope you all are aware about the ability domain, which we have already discussed in the beginning. So that module. And then here, what type of shape I am choosing. So of course, depending on the shape, the price will change. So this is just for demos. That's why I'm using VM standard. But I'm changing the shape because the 1.1 is not good for me. I need a more RAM. So I am choosing here 2.1. So second release I'm using, so I can get the shape as per my business need. So I'm choosing here, and total node count, I don't want to change any. If you can see the one node I'm using. So I'm not using the rack environment. It's a standalone database which I'm using. Then once you will go with that, you have the alternate options. Here you can choose the edition, which database edition you want. So enterprise edition, high performance. Of course, that we have talked in the theory class, what the benefit you are getting with the standard edition, enterprise edition, and enterprise edition high performance. So I am choosing the extreme performance. So all my things will be there in extreme performance. All the options, license, software will be included, like partitioning, auditing, diagnostic, all will be used. So there is no extra license you need for this. Okay. For the storage, if you can see, I don't need a more because this is just for demo purpose. So that's why I'm taking the storage. You can change the storage and you can choose like that. It's not possible you can choose a 300 or 400 like that. So it's always a double, 256 minimum, and 512, 1024, 048, and that's within the GB you can use. So actually, if you can see, I am using 256 GB only for my database, but the total storage is used the 712. of course. And for that, the cost will be involved. So if you can see here, once you click over there, it is clearly give you the total storage used by the DB system, and then Oracle charge for this amount. Got it? Total storage. So this much they will charge. And once this is connected, here we can choose the our key which we have generated. Got it? So we can choose the key based on to our environment. So where it is created, you can go over there and you can find it. The path, I can show you the my key value which I have created in the Oracle SSS, and I can go with that. So you can see this key I am going to use. Private key pub. This I am going to use, which is stored into my home Oracle SSH. Okay, so I can go into my home. I'll log into Oracle, and then Oracle I can go to the other locations. Let me go with the professor, computer. I'm sorry. And then here you can choose the location where your database or the home directory is kept. That's where we can choose our path. So by default, in my case, I have a home directory. So I can choose the home directory, and then we can use all the pub as per my business need. Got it? So this is my home, and the home we have a Oracle directory. Got it? So the Oracle directory we can, and then Oracle directory, if you can see here, the SSS folder that I need to move into that location. So we can copy like this, and then we can put into my home directory. That's the one thing we have to keep into so we can able to do, and we are able to move it from the one to another locations. So these are the things which is the prerequisite. So we can create like CP, what I'm putting from the home. This is the location I have, Oracle, and space.ssh, and this I am putting into my OCI location or wherever I want. So this way we can copy. So instead of this, I can, to save my time, to copy, just put my home, and then I can use over there home Oracle, and I can copy. Let me go home. So where I am copying this file, and slash Oracle, I can copy this file over there. So once I copied it, you can clearly see the file will be there. Automatically, the file came here. And then you can select this file. That's it. And this way we can choose my file whenever I need it and other things. Got it idea? So that way we can create a file and just cancelling it. Don't need it here. See that there is a different way which I can prefer to do. So I can do, there's alternate way, you can drop files here. So drag and drop, this can be possible that way, or you can browse it depending on that. Okay, after that what you have to do, you have to choose your license type. So if you have your own license existing, that you can choose. When you are going to the on-premises, so you can choose the license based on your business need. So of course I am using the license included, because I don't want my existing license should be used. So that's why whatever the charge will be there, that will be paid. Now, if anything, the client connections, so subnet and other things, that you can see what subnet I'm using. So of course in the client subnet, you can choose the subnet what you want to use dependent to that. So any subnet or something you need, otherwise you can use your own. Okay, so if any available, then you can choose it. Otherwise, you can use the virtual cloud networks compartment and Western that you can choose. Of course, for the host name, you can put your host name as per your student name host. So for me, I am putting my host. You can use the host as per your need, or I can use that DBA training dependent on my on-premises database. Based on that, we can use the same way the DBA training or whatever name you want. You can use depend on your machine name. Like here, I have used my own name, so that way you can use or use the DBT, whichever the way you want. We can choose. So in the DBA training, I have put it in the short form. That way we can use. Okay, so that's why we can use. Of course, for subnet and other things, those all you have to keep into mind. Sometimes you need it. So if you need a compartment and other things to choose, so you can choose it. If you don't need, then it's okay. I'm not changing anything. Okay, let me click the next without checking anything. Then we can see that it came onto the next. Now here you can see we have to give the some things database version. Because my source database, you have clearly seen I have a version 12. So I'm going to move on to the same version, and that's why we can use the version or this, whichever the database version I'm using. That way I can use. Like you can see. So, the environment variable need to be set, and then you can my database name is OCL. Let me go for this, and then so if you can see my base version, I can choose the version accordingly, or $V version, so that you can see to the banner. You can see there's a different way to do that. So instead of this, it is asking me the database name. So I can give the database name whatever you want. So in my case, I'm giving the database name as my ORCL. In the source, you have seen that I have a ORCL database. Here I am choosing the my ORCL. Got it? And then the version I am choosing, Oracle support the version 11.2.4 onwards. So I'm choosing 12.2.0.1 as we have onto the my source database. So before going to migrate, we can choose the same one, 12.2.0.1 that I am using. And once you will use it, then PDB name if you want multi-tenant architectures, then you can use. And if you remember, I have shown you I am using the PDB in my database. So I have, and my PDB name is PDB1. So that I am going to use here. So my PDB name is PDB1. That's why I'm giving the same name. Got it? Then, of course, for the user sys and system database account, we can give the password as per the my requirement. So I can give the password and accordingly we can use it. So I have given the password, and once my password is given, so then we can go for the database creation. And of course, but here you can see some issue I am getting. So that way you can clear what issue is there, the color and other things you can easily identify what issue you are getting. And based on that you can use. So here my simple issue is for my public key. Okay, that's you we can give, no problem. And then you have to create your DB accordingly. Alright. So make sure you can use your DB, you can create it. So once you will create on your DB, you are able to create the database. Of course, it will take a couple of minutes, and then once you click on the database, it will give the message and you can continue.